G'day. Today we're going to be transforming some old pallets into some beautiful shoe racks. Follow me as we transform these pallets into shoe racks. We got these pallets here, and we've got a couple pallets over here. We'll turn them into shoe racks. Awesome. Hello. Hello. Ew. Right, we just removed the nails. What we're going to do now, we're going to cut this one through there, all the way through. We're going to cut that bit off. That's a sweet bit of kit. This is the XU1 circular saw with a grip guard and a mouth plate. Alright, look at this piece of material. Whew, we've got a 7,000 RPM cutting disc on there. That's going to whiz through that bit of wood over there. No worries. Right now I'm just going to cut these into one length through there, another length through there, and it should be ready to go. Now I just noticed a bit of a problem. There's a bit of, it's not the same width there. Interesting. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Changed the design a little bit. It was going to be, that was going to be the base there, but I'm going to do it like this instead. I'm going to do 3 high, and I'll just stick this fella, nope, just on top there as a top board. And then the shoes will go in here, and it'll look really nice, I reckon. That's going to look great. Alright, just need to stick these boards here up on the side, straighten her up, square it up, and cut the tops off, put a top on, and she's done. Yeah, look, she's pretty much together. Solid as a rock. She's not going anywhere. Might chuck a few more nails in just for good precautions. But yeah, pretty much done. Pretty much done there. Alright, last step. We'll chuck this top surface. Which one's better? This side of it. Maybe this side. Chuck that up there. Look at that. You beauty. What a bloody piece of workmanship right there. And look how sturdy it is. Hardly any wobble at all, mate. Beauty. There you go. Sturdy as, mate. Sort of. Yeah, we'll work that out later. Maybe a bit of stiffness through the back. Might go astray. There you go. Beauty. Last step. We've got the Ozito dental sander here, detail sander. We'll just give her a quick run over with the... And look, she's pretty much done. Looks like I bought one pretty much. Bought at a very cheap shop, but still I bought one nonetheless. Awesome work. Oh yeah, love it. And look at this. Oh, you won't want to put too much weight up there. Alright, finished sanding it. I think it took as long to sand it as it did to make it. Absolutely remarkable. Can you just shut up here? I know you don't like it, but seriously?
I love you, but it's ugly.
Oh god. There we have it. She is all finished. Got some shoes in there. Not too bad at all. There you have it. There's the shoe rack creation, and of course if you would like to buy that, it's available here on Gumtree. Here it is. There it is. Got a few photos up, and yeah, look, got a few nice photos on there. And if you want that one, it's $180, pick up, contactless trade. It's a beautiful 4-shelf shoe rack made from upcycled pine. So yeah, get onto it if you want to own that one yourself. Cheers.